Excellent. Okay, let's take half minute, gentlemen, for your key takeaways. We'll start with Bill Coleman. Bill?
Well, I think from all the three presentations, the key takeaway, and I've done this a long time, really is for small to mid-sized business not to peer into the R&D credit itself, because there's a lot of rules, a lot of regulations, and a lot of them are pro-government. People are always afraid of wading into something that's very subjective. But as everybody said, it's the #1 tax planning tool, even in 2018 going forward, that's out there. So it's worth clients' time, worth customers' time, and to look at it and evaluate it. It's not 18, but 18 going forward too.
Thank you, William Coleman. Mike Weber, key takeaways, please.
Yeah, I think my key takeaway is everybody should look at their business, look at what they're doing. What are you doing on a daily basis? Are you spending any time doing things kind of thought-provoking, innovative? What are you trying to change in your business to be competitive? What type of work are you doing for your customers that may meet this definition of R&D that's out there now? Just encourage you to think about what your business is doing, and if you're doing any of that really thought-provoking, innovative work, whether or not you're being paid for it or not, I'd encourage you to consider looking at this credit.
Thank you, Mike Weber. And finally, Michael Silvio, your key takeaways.
Yeah, I would agree with both of the other panelists here. This is the R&D credit is by far, I think, one of the most valuable areas of the tax law. And I think we have to remember that this is in the law. That Congress passed this law many years ago, and it's been on the books. It's sunsetted and then kind of came back into law many times. But it's highly valuable. It's highly valuable for companies to take these credits to remain competitive in the world landscape. So I would say you need to definitely look at this credit in a new light because of the things that are going on with the TCJA and the new opportunities for there to be more tax paid because some of these things, and the fact that R&D credits are available to offset that tax.